REPOSAL VCM Coil Special Precision Winding Machine, a 4-axis linkage fully automatic equipment specially built for high-end voice coil coils. In the wave of global high-end equipment upgrading, coils in fields such as VCM, galvanometers, and medical devices have extremely stringent requirements for precision. However, process bottlenecks such as multi-section partition winding and reverse winding have long plagued the industry. REPOSAL has broken through technical barriers and developed this reverse multi-section winding machine, which can complete multi-section winding and automatic direction reversal without cutting the enameled wire. It is suitable for differential coils, push-pull coils, modulation coils, and other structures. With wire arrangement consistency reaching the micron level, the equipment integrates the in-depth coordination of full-wave servos, winding axis, wire arrangement axis, lifting axis, and front rear axis. Combined with self-developed wire arrangement algorithm and high-speed servo system, it easily realizes high-difficulty operations such as segmented winding, staggered layer winding, and variable pitch winding, ensuring neat coil boundaries without messy wires or wire jumping. For different skeleton materials such as titanium alloy, aluminum alloy, and carbon fiber, it automatically optimizes tension control and winding trajectory to prevent skeleton deformation, slipping, and scratching. At present, the equipment has successfully served enterprises in fields such as medical imaging, optical instruments, and microdrive systems, achieved breakthroughs in the mass production of multi-section reverse winding voice coils, and become the designated core winding solution for customers. If you have needs, welcome to contact REPOSAL. Look forward to your forwarding, and let's cooperate for mutual benefit.